Hey, I'm Steve Goldring, the hormone pharmacist from simplehormones.com. If you're going through menopause and you're taking hormone replacement therapy, but you're still not quite feeling like yourself, well, I want to ask you to do me a favor. Over the past couple of days, I've been hearing from a lot of women, mostly through my email list, and I keep seeing the same questions coming up over and over again. Why am I gaining weight on hormone replacement even though I feel like I'm doing everything right? Or why am I still not sleeping, at least not as well as I'd like to? How do I know if my hormone levels are actually just right? Is it too late for me to start or continue hormone replacement therapy? And even, can I stay on hormone replacement long term, or do I have to stop at some point? And that last question comes in a couple of different ways from two very different perspectives. Some women want to stay on hormones long term, but they're not really sure if they can from a safety perspective. Other women don't want to stay on hormones long term, and they're wondering when or if they can stop. Like, do I have to take these the rest of my life? A lot of women are already taking hormone replacement, but they're still trying to figure out how to get their hormones sort of dialed in. Their symptoms might be better, but they're not where they want those symptoms to be. A lot of these women aren't quite sure if their hormone levels actually are just right. Well, maybe that's you. Maybe you feel like you've done everything you were told to do. You found a provider, maybe not a perfect provider, but somebody who could help you with your hormones. You started taking those hormones that they prescribed, and you sort of expected that you would feel like yourself again. But something maybe still feels off. I started considering putting together something new, maybe a series of short weekly teaching sessions, sort of a menopause hormone workshop, where I can go a little bit deeper into those kind of questions. Topics like how to get your hormone levels just right, how to actually dial things in so that your symptoms improve or maybe even go away, and how to know you're doing this in a way that supports your long-term health, not just the way you feel right now. I'm talking about both feeling like yourself now and living a strong and healthy life for the next several decades, as well as how to feel confident that taking hormone replacement long-term is the safest option for you. It's nothing complicated. It's just practical, focused teaching, as well as a chance to get some real answers. Before I set this workshop up, though, I don't want to just guess about the topics. I'd really love to hear more from you. What questions do you still have about menopause, or especially hormones used to treat your menopause symptoms? What's still confusing you or frustrating? What are you finding unclear about hormones? You can leave a comment below this video on YouTube, or even better, I've also put a link in the description under this video where you can answer a few of those quick questions. And let me know if you'd like to hear about the workshop when it's ready. Answering these questions only takes you about maybe 3 minutes, and your answers are really going to help me focus on what actually matters most to you. I'm going to make sure this menopause hormone workshop is as helpful and relevant as possible for you. Thank you so much for participating. I really appreciate your help, and I'll be talking to you again soon.